Hi! In front of me is Motorola One 5G Ace, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, open Settings and click on Connected Devices. So sorry, misclick. Then choose Pair New Device at the top and click on one of the available ones that you wish to connect to, in my case this one. In order to continue, you need to select Pair in this pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them by choosing this gear icon next to the device, clicking on Forget, and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!